Hello guys! Today in this video, I'm going to show you one of the most efficient platforms out there to teach your course online easily, on your own terms, and most importantly within your schedule and the days that are most convenient for you. Maybe you struggle to find an online platform that allows you to teach your course because some of them require a subscription, whether you book students or not. Others are very difficult to set up, or they just don't have the features that you need, or they have too many requirements. Maybe others need you to maybe take a test or multiple interviews, or even worse, some of the online tutoring courses out there, they might require you to have a certain degree in education or teach their courses in a specific time zone. Now let me ask you this. Can you teach if you're forced to use their own material instead of using yours? If you want to succeed teaching online, there's definitely a way of doing this. Now let me tell you that the best platform we have found so far to teach online efficiently is called Outschool.com. They are based in the United States and let you teach topics of pretty much anything. Even life skills or language classes are in high demand in this website. So this platform targets preschool, middle, and high school students. So you have a wide range of ages that you want to teach. So the best part is also that you can actually set your own schedule, your own cost. You use your very own material. You can be as creative as possible. And like I said, there's no limits. You can have as many classes as you can handle here. And this is a really great way to get students on an ongoing basis. To open an account in Outschool.com, you can click the link below this video and select Sign Up to Teach. There's a green button in there. Then you're gonna enter your email and confirm it. After that, you're gonna fill out your basic information with your profile. And once your account is approved, you're ready for the next step, which is create a short video and send it to the Outschool team for their approval. You will meet the students worldwide, and you do not have to have a teacher certificate or any specific degree, as long as your class is fun and educational. Make sure that you submit the classes to their Outschool team for approval first, and don't worry, the support is very good and quick. You can create a video using simple recording applications or even your phone that requires no coding or expertise. And the important thing is to plan your classes carefully and make sure they are creative, they're engaging, and make sure to decide the age range that you're planning to target. Tell your viewers why you are a great fit for the subject. You can always submit a video introduction, but it's not necessary at all. So you can start submitting your classes, and the next step, which is really optional but highly recommended, is to explore in Outschool what other classes that are being taught and similar to yours. I'll give you an example. If you want to teach algebra or pre-algebra, it is worth for you to spend a few hours looking at every class in Outschool before you start making your own class. Remember, your class is your own, so you can be as creative and as different as possible. One last but very important tip is that Outschool charges you 30% of your booking, and this is only due if you have a student that booked your class. Otherwise, you do not have to pay. This helps them with the advertising cost. They will pay you also weekly through your PayPal account. So keep these tips in mind before you list your first class. And let me tell you, this is an experience that I find very rewarding, and I hope you like this video and you find all of these tips useful when you start your new journey in Outschool. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So see you next time. Bye.